Our next event is the drone drop. Players competed catching balls that were released from the drone high above the field. Balls falling at 44 miles per hour.
Three, two, one.
What's up guys, my name is Clark Hazlett, better known as Adventure Athlete, and in today's video I've got a special video for you guys because we're about to be dropping this football from this drone right here. As you guys can see here on the back of the drone, we have a payload dropper. This payload dropper is essentially going to allow us to be able to drop the ball from a variety of different heights while the drone is in the air. So with that being said, I'm going to be dropping the drone from 70 feet, 85 feet, 100 feet, 115 feet, and 130 feet. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the end of the video as I'm going to be challenging one of my fellow football YouTubers to a drone drop football competition. Now let's get right into the video. All right guys, so as you can see here, I'm currently tying the string around the football. And after I'm done with this, we are going to be attaching it to the payload dropper. And then we are going to be sending the drone up in the air with the football attached to it. So all I got to do now is loosen up the payload attachment. The payload football is now attached to the drone. All right, fellas. Drone takeoff in 3, 2, 1.
Later that same evening.
All right, fellas, so as you guys can see here, the drone, shoot, it's kind of struggling a little bit. The drone is able to carry the football. And now it's time to test the payload dropper. We're gonna be dropping the football in 3, 2, 1. Absolutely. All right, guys, so it is now time to send the drone up to 70 feet, and we're gonna see if I can catch it coming down. Yeah. All right guys, so as you can see, we're about to be taking the drone all the way up to 70 feet. The drone is currently at 70 feet right here. And then now it's time to officially drop the first ball. Ready?
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
That is the first drone drop success from 70 feet. Now let's take it up to 85 feet. All right guys, so as you can see, the drone is now currently here at 85 feet and it's time to drop the football.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
From 85 feet, let's go! All right guys, so as you guys just saw, I caught the ball from 70 feet and 85 feet. It's now time to send the drone up to 100 feet. Let's get it. guys, as you guys can see right there, it's at 100 feet.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
That's the catch! That's the catch, ladies and gentlemen, let's go!
Let's go!
Alright guys, so one of the real tough challenges, especially when the ball gets released from the drone, is that because the wind velocity is so high while the drone and ball are up at about 100 feet, when the ball comes down, the wind makes it move. So that's why you see me kind of flopping a little bit, because I'm trying to make sure I can trap the ball, but also I get a little bit of an extra time to adjust if the ball's over to my right or left while I'm kind of falling to the ground. But yeah guys, it's now time to get this 115 feet catch, so let's get it. Yeah. All right, as you guys can see here, the drone is currently at 115 feet. Let's get it.
3, 2, 1. Oh my God!
All right guys, so it's getting really tough right now to catch this ball dropping from 115 feet because the wind is really starting to pick up. Wow. No. No. Oh my God. No. No. As you guys just saw in the last drop, play the replay. So here we go, another attempt at 115 feet.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Let's go, fellas. Since this is the last catch of the day before all my batteries die in the drone, we're gonna be sending the drone up to 150 feet.
Getting it climbing.
All right guys, as you can see, 150 feet, let's get it. We're getting it!
That's high, bro. Let's get it! 3, 2, 1.
Let's go! Let's go, fellas! Yeah! Oh. All right guys, follow me over here. This is it. As you guys can see here, with 12% battery left, we officially completed the drone drops challenge. I'm gonna land this baby real quick. All right fellas, so I just officially completed Venture Athlete Drone Drops challenge. I'm now gonna be challenging another well-known football YouTuber, my guy Dockery. So make sure you guys comment down below and tag Dockery in this post so he gets a chance to see this, and we'll see if he accepts this challenge. Big shout out to my guy Oh the Butter, who's helping me film today. I'm gonna be sure to tag him in the description down below. He also shot a video showing the behind the scenes of what today was like. So that being said guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Yeah.